Guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones. In today's video we are going to be installing Lulutress Disco curl. Now I've never tried this hair, it's a first, and I wanted to kind of go for like a fall type color. So I have 5 packs, 3 are in the color number 2, and I have a 1B27, that's this color here, and then I have a 1B30, that's this color here, and as y'all can see, one is very much lighter than the other. Now I want to show y'all my braiding pattern. I always get questions on my braiding pattern. So I have 10 braids in the front, and I bring them all together and then I connect them into one, as you can see here, and then I just keep going till I do this little zigzag pattern. And my braid, I just tuck it under with the crochet needle, and there you go. That is my braiding pattern. It's my go-to because my hair is a little bit on the thinner side, so that's what I like to do. That's what works for me, because if I don't do it that way, then I end up having this big huge part going down the middle and it don't look cute at all. It don't. So there we go. So I don't even know how I'm gonna install this, how I'm gonna mix this hair up. I don't know. I'm just finna install it. So let's go. Okay, y'all, so this is what the hair is looking like fresh up out the pack. Only thing I don't like is I'm noticing like this white ass crust on here. I don't even know if y'all can see it. Y'all see that whiteness? So I don't know if that's like what they make. I think they put it on the hair to make it kind of hard right here, because it's harder here than it is down at the bottom. Very soft hair. Yeah, I just want to get in the habit of showing y'all the hair, what it looked like before I install it. So this is the T27, so pretty, and then this is the 30. All I do is I take the latch hook, slide it under my cornrow, place the hair, and y'all, this is so easy to place. Place the hair on there, make sure it's on there, close that thing, and that's all I do. I'm excited to try this hair and come and review it and all that. Let me see. Okay. And that's it. Ooh, look at that. I like that. I like that. So y'all, crocheting hair in is so easy. It's even easier if you know how to cornrow. And you can use a bobby pin to install. Like, I know it's a couple people out there. It's a few people out there that don't like this. You can use a bobby pin. And you can also use the beader that you use when you do bead hairstyles. You could use that as well. And all you gotta do is just place it under and do it. So this is the finished look. So this is the hair, and I was kind of worried about the color, so I did like most of the color in the back, and then I put number 2 on top, so it's 3 different colors, and I cut it a little bit, not too much. Y'all know I'm horrible at shaping up the hair and stuff like that. Like, I really wish I could just, you know, snip. But yeah, this is what it looks like. These are all the colors. So I used almost all of the 5 pack. This is how much I have left. And yeah, this is how much I have left. I wasn't sure. I was getting nervous when I had them last couple braids left. But yeah, you guys, this is super cute. The hair is super soft. But Now I don't never do this, but I would recommend you soaking the hair probably like a couple days before you install it, because I don't know, they have like this dye on this hair and it was all over my fingers. You can feel the film or whatever it is that's on the hair as you're installing it. Well, by the time I finished, my fingers were black, and I didn't even show y'all. So that makes me want to soak this, or at least like wash it in the shower later today, because I'm just like, I can't even lay down with this hair without having my bonnet on, because now I see why people be soaking the hair, because I was like, synthetic hair, I'm not doing that shit. But you know, like I was like, I'm not doing that shit, like it's synthetic hair. But with this particular brand hair, it's a must, because I've never had that happen before, like with any other hairs, free tress, model, none of them. I've never had that happen, so this was the first. But I really like how it looks. I did the invisible part method. This took me about an hour and a half. I always braid my hair a day or two before, and I just rock wigs until I'm ready to install. So that's what I do. Let me show y'all the back. Hey buddy. This is the back, and there's like a part I feel like I missed over here. Yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna just use the rest of the hair for that, but this is the back. So I'm sure y'all probably can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, and then this is it full. I kind of want to take my chances and, like, you know, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you found this video helpful, if you used this hair before, let me know down in the comments. I will be coming back with a review. Y'all know how I do, full thorough on review. This is Friday, November, I don't know, but it's November and it's Friday. And yeah, so I'll be back hopefully in about 2 weeks. I do have some other hair commitments, so y'all might see me at a week for the review, but either way, y'all gonna get a review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other crochet braid playlist. I've been doing crochet installs on this channel since 2014, so a long time. So I have a full playlist. Y'all check those out as well. I have them linked below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.